ICERIVER Aleo AE1. This could be a real revolution in crypto mining. So, this is how this device came to us. And yeah, nothing else at all. And this is it. This is AE1 ICERIVER Aleo. Yeah. It's more or less same like any other IceRiver, but you can see it's black, sleek, fans in the front, nothing in the back, power cord, internet. This is for Wi-Fi, SD card slot for updating and reset, and IP reporter. And this is button to shut it down or turn it on. Okay, this is it. This device is for future. It's future-proof mining. It has 300 MHz per second and power consumption about 500 watts. It works on algorithm ZK Snark, which is Aleo familiar algorithms. This thing will work for future. In a moment right now when we're shooting this video, this miner is making about 47 USD a day. That means like a real bucks. Listen guys, I've seen a lot of miners over the time, but this one is one that brings the real power to your hands and into your home. You can pre-order this miner on OneMiners.com, but be quick, demand is monstrous! This is all for today. Check out for more videos.